Bonjour à tous and welcome to Learn French with Vincent, and this is Unité 8, Leçon D. And in this lesson we'll still work on vocabulary as we did previously in the previous lessons, and we'll cover in this lesson les céréales. L'avoine, le blé, le maïs, le millet. So let's repeat them. L'avoine, remember, don't insist on the final E. L'avoine, le blé, here, accent aigu, et le maïs. So here you get this tréma, so maïs, maïs. And then you pronounce the final S, maïs. Le millet, here, I, and then double L, so I, millet. E-T at the end, open. Millet. L'orge, le quinoa, le son. Let's repeat. L'orge, le quinoa, le son. And that's it. Really short, but quite useful. More videos, youtube.com/imagier, and then more material here, imagier.net. Have a great day. Bye-bye.